So today we are preparing some fried rice for the weekend because tomorrow I'll be very busy. So our spring onion is there. Our kodobi jollof nicely. So we are going to cook our rice. Here we go. So here is our rice. We are going to toast it for a while. So now we are adding in some soy sauce. Buy some from Hilda's Kitchen and thank me later. At this time, we are going to add in our hot water to cook our rice. As I said, the water, it will come. If you think it's too much, you can strain some out. You can take some of the water out. You can stock it and then use it for your rice or your stew. It's so nice. Vegetables normally brings out water. It's not everything that you see our shine. They don't show you the background. So until where you know, we didn't know why they me. So woman this water can also help at the end to cook extra. Yes, into a woman goes out one was na soon sunny be fefu. Ne moment to able to make keep for next time. I'm going to add my soy sauce before I'll add my salt. My veggies na come look at my rice. It's rice. As you know, I use some soy sauce to cook. Wow, Shazo. Shazo not tazi. And one whites and one alum. Why do papa? Men dada. In fact, no woman. Oh, wow. Wow. What's a wow? Yeah. Weekend, Nana starting, sister. Weekend, no. They starting much at the dream. Wow. Flavor and your swagger. If I say pizza man papa or your Hilda's Kitchen on your good food made in a clean environment. Wow. As na akonzo. We are ne wedu ne jano. Nanala wa juboko oja. So show them your sister. It's a reward za on or by any times 74 is a more boko or drenabot. I'm going to go full Charlie. Prawns and chief, veja. Shaze. Honey, happy Independence Day. Emono. Na man, red, gold, and green. God bless our homeland, Ghana. and make our nation great and strong. Ayo motonka e na aka umenya anto sister. E wan epede says I forget net no if you na fortune na nine. Arokodo. Ebusia, spring onions should be the last one you add to your fried rice. Spring onions should be the last. You don't want to cook it. You want to feel the crunchiness in it. So that should be the last that goes into your fried rice. Set as it. The moment is what also papa sister. And you good weekend nana ya start. We actually come on. Sister, you are good to go. Watch full recipe from Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. It's banana maya. And thank you so much for watching. Happy Independence Day to you out there, my fellow Ghanaians. Forward ever, backwards never. Or papa. It's banana maya. A program. Hilda's Kitchen recipe na. For your program. Epede be more so my answer one can. Na mo bonje. Vegetables and as I say for a fried rice among those veggies or boa papa. When peduan no see in peduan when peduan. Oh yeah, condo papa. Ebusia. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a lovelicious, happy Independence Day. Ebusia makadams on macron. Yaboko light one. Veggies in womb, oil near less. Sasa unu chi mo oni as na ya konda sister anka cry Janet baby I won't bonya the mobi. Either you give me thumbs up or you give me thumbs up. It's so simple. Bye bye. Usia anapay mosali na mesidano or demo bombas na mosali na mesidano anam azan manka brofa anamenye infantinala mamenye infanti nda Ghana fan hozi daisy mamu bombas na anamenye colors red gold green mu nuemu bi ho awonyim da bro chirizi emu ya na eziwa in fact meza emu ni sido na meza anyo na meza nka na meza chew ai emu no do me chew ya me we na mu nu nsuhyew na meza gum no cheda emu ben na emu na wa bi na akonda ehwe nsasa wo no wuru twowi me we na me chechew me vegetables no do pocha ehwe me previous video ogodo papa me we na chede me keka ni nyina meza gum na spring onions no meza gum last kra no ziwi ntebu shafo ehwa azina ya konda sasa wanchefu a na sausages bi su no chede wo nte ehwe bi basana fried rice no aya konda I oil no yenye ho azini bibia mazini ye different Iye twintwom da twom orokodo Hilda's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Agro nkoten pocho efam ho ebufu a ebenya high blood pressure pocho. We don't want that. We want to have fun. So keep watching my channel and God bless you. And when I flavorful as I kondo orokodo papa shemon miss we yin konkur na shining the yes. Se pono do macha da manfo wolitina me we macho akokọ ne ties no so bi na cha da maye salad me za ka ho amanfo say e diet mpocho nde me medzani na mama virgin me ze isi chebusia otedam za no macron bombos na na yibi